Hey foodies, if this is your favorite snacks and you want to know how to make it, you have come to the right place. This is the Nigerian fish roll and I'm going to show you how it's made. So first of all, I'm going to be boiling my fish. For this recipe, I'm using a small bowl of onion, pepper and garlic all blended. So I'm going to add that to my fish. I'm going to add seasoning cubes, salt, ginger and garlic powder, and I'm going to add a small cup of water and allow to boil. Our fish is ready and I have deboned it. I'm just checking if there are any more bones so that I could remove them. There are no more bones, and now I'm going to start shredding them. I'm going to shred them into tiny bits because of course you don't want a whole fish inside your fish roll. Now it's time to make our filling. To a hot pot or a hot pan, add in your butter or margarine and allow that to melt. I used a lot of butter, so I'm just going to gently scoop that out and remove the excess butter. Now I'm going in with my pepper mix and I'm just going to mix that together and allow it to fry. Now it's time to go in with our finely shredded fish. So I'm just going to put all of that in there and allow to fry. For this recipe, we're using cabbage, finely shredded as well. You can use carrots, you can use spring onions, and I'm just going to mix all of that together. I'm adjusting my seasoning and I'm just using seasoning cubes and ginger and garlic paste so that it doesn't come out too salty. And I'm just going to mix all of that thoroughly for the last time and our filling is ready. Now we're going to be making our dough. In here I have sifted flour. Now it is essential to always sift your flour whenever using it to bake so that your dough, your batter will come out very smooth and easy to work with. So now to this empty bowl, I'm going to be measuring in 3 cups of flour, and when you're using a measuring cup, don't press the flour and always make sure that it is level. Now I'm going in with my first cup, then the second and then the third consecutively. Now to the measured flour, I'm going to be going in with 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. Add in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of salt and mix that thoroughly together. Here I have 5 tablespoons of margarine or 200 grams. You can use butter as well. I'm going to be adding that to our dried ingredients and I'm going to mix everything properly together. Now add in 1 medium-sized egg and mix gently together. I'm going in 1 cup of water and I'm going to mix. As you can see, our dough is gradually coming together. The flour has finally absorbed all that moisture. You're just going to keep on mixing and mixing, but this dough is sticky, so I'm going to be adding a little bit more flour and continue mixing until our dough is less sticky and easier to work with. I've finally gotten the texture that I want. Look at how nice, smooth and soft our dough is. So I'm just going to keep that for like 10 minutes and allow to rest. Cut up your dough into smaller sizes. I'm working on my first one and I'm going to place that on a flat surface and roll it out just like this. I'm going to roll it out to about an inch. Now it's time to bring out that fish filling that we made earlier in this video, and I'm going to be putting it at the edge of my rolled out dough just like this. You can be generous with it as much as you want. This is the importance of making your own stuff at home. You can be generous with your filling as much as you like. So I'm going to gently roll that out and seal the end with my finger carefully just like this. Oh guys, I forgot to mention, I didn't record that part as well, that you're going to be needing a paste, a flour paste. All you have to do is just add in a little water to flour, use it to make a paste so that you can seal the edges of your fish roll just like this. So I'm adding in my paste and I'm going to carefully seal my fish roll. This is what we have. I'm going to set that aside and show you guys again. Bring out one of those your cut out dough, roll it out on a flat surface just like this, and next you're going to be going in with your fish filling. Remember to be generous with it. So when you've added your fish filling, you're just going to carefully roll it out just like I showed you, and I'm showing you guys again. Roll it out, seal it with the edges of your finger and add in your flour paste. Yeah, your fish roll is ready. So me, I am baking mine. I'm not going to fry it. The temperature and the time will be on the screen, and this is what we have. Our fish roll is ready. Look at how nice that is looking. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you try it out. Bye.